Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is once again Jay
And tea.
and this is our introduction to KDP book publishing. So you're going to be learning how to create your first low content book. And yeah, let's just jump right into it.
So before we start, we'd just like to ask for you guys to make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're getting any value from it. Definitely engage with it, leave a thumbs up. It's been pretty hard to come up with all this information for you guys, so we'd really appreciate it. Now we're moving on to step 4, which is book title creation. This is how to create the perfect book title. This is something people tackle before or after they have completed their book. For the purpose of this course and to make life easier, we suggest figuring out your book title beforehand. This may be the most important part of your entire book, or at least one of the most important parts. And why? Because Amazon gives book titles the most weight. When someone types a keyword into Amazon's search bar, looking for a book, Amazon will try to match that keyword with a book title. Of course, it also tries to match searches to book tags and keywords in subtitles, etc. Your title serves the purpose of creating intrigue for your book that makes potential buyers want to read it, and helping your book to be discovered on Amazon and Audible with highly searched keywords, or SEO.
Tips for a good book title. So, gives the reader a clear idea of what the book is about, has your book keyword or keywords in it, does not contain copyrighted keywords, avoids keyword stuffing. And keyword stuffing is when you try to fit as many keywords into your title as possible. Amazon doesn't like this, and readers don't either. Your book can come off sounding unnatural, like kind of inhuman, like a computer wrote it or something. It can be confusing and considered unprofessional. Remember, if people are confused as to what your book is about, this is going to hurt your sales. It also helps to understand copywriting, which is the act of writing for the purpose of advertising or other forms of marketing. It's not necessary, but it does help. And when all else fails, look at the top selling books in your niche and use their titles and subtitles as a blueprint or inspiration for how your book needs to be, like your title needs to be, but don't copy, obviously.
Step 5 is book covers. So there are 2 ways to go about doing this. The first way is to create it yourself. You don't have to have a lot of money, or if you don't want to invest the money and you actually enjoy graphic design, then this is actually a really great option. And it's not that difficult either. We have a video on book cover creation, and we will leave it in the description along with any new ones that we make in the future. Book covers can be created in graphic design programs like Photoshop, BookBrush, and Canva, which has both a free and paid option. The second way is to hire a professional. If you're not skilled in graphic design or you don't enjoy it, then you can always hire a professional to create attractive covers for your books for under $20. You can use platforms such as Fiverr. This route will save you a lot of time and money while ensuring that you get something well made. An attractive cover is especially important in order to stand out from your competitors, so you might want to try this. Some book cover requirements are the following. Each publishing platform has different requirements for their book covers, just to let you guys know. For a paperback, the front, back, and spine need to be designed. Keep these details in mind when designing or outsourcing. To make things simpler, you can create the back and spine in KDP while you publish your book and upload the cover page so that you only have to create the cover on your own.
And we have an example of that. We have an example in a video later on in this course.
For an audiobook cover, it's just 2400 by 2400 pixels, and for an ebook, it's 2560 by 1600 pixels.
And obviously for those, you only need a front cover. You don't need a back cover.
Book covers have to be saved as PDFs. You have to decide on your book cover size before you create it. The same goes for the interior page sizes, and obviously they need to be consistent. Amazon has many trim sizes from 6 by 9 to 7 by 10 to 8.5 by 11, etc. but you do have the option of creating your own custom-sized books. However, your book may no longer be eligible for expanded distribution, which is a program wherein Amazon partners with online retailers, libraries, bookstores, and academic institutions. It allows them to buy your books in bulk and sell the book on their platforms, which is another way that you can get more money. Don't fret though, you can still put your book on Ingram Spark. Most of the time, since it has the largest collection of book trim sizes, and it basically does the same thing as expanded distribution, you can make more money on your books that way. Just a heads up, but don't worry too much about that for now.
Also, to let you guys know, there's a manual approval for every book published through KDP, and it's easy for your book to be rejected, and then you have to resubmit it. Approval can take 3 days or more, so if you want to make money and not waste time, that can be a very long time to wait just to have your book rejected. So to avoid getting your book rejected, make sure there are no spelling errors on your book cover. Step 6 is interiors. Now, low-content books rely on what publishers call interiors. These are the pages inside your low-content book. They include anything from blank pages, think sketchbooks, to the infamous lined journal pages, or they can be as extensive as workbooks, complete with questionnaires, quotes, and intricate graphics, and other creative add-ons. I just wanted to quickly show you guys BookBalt, the website, and just how easy it is to download some free interiors. So as soon as you get on the website, I'll just show you guys where to go. You'll be brought to a page where you can download anything that doesn't have like a grayed out image that says members only. So like as you can see, there's monthly to-do lists, there's online shopping trackers. You can just keep going down the page. They add new pages all the time. There's weekly planners. All of these are free, guys. If I wanted, let's say like a fitness calendar, I would click it, choose the size, 6x9. I'm gonna go with no bleed. Type in your page count, 120, and then all I have to do is just download it. So that's why we say you can literally get started right away. And I'll show you guys Creative Fabrica really quickly as well. This is the Creative Fabrica website. See, it has like over 40,000 fonts. It says unlimited crafts resources for $12, over 1 million, nearly 2 million graphics. There's apparently some free downloadable resources as well. And then, yeah, they come in bundles a lot of the time. A lot of them are fine for commercial use. And let me show you how easy it is to just find things. So I'm going to type in Easter activity. And this is just random. Like there's so many different types of interiors here, but already if you wanted to make like a children's book that was like Easter related, and Easter is coming up soon, here's an example: Easter number counting kindergarten math. That's very specific, but like kids are out of school right now, right? A lot of kids are learning from home, so their parents might be interested in something like this. And all I would do, see commercial usage is allowed, I would just download this pack. And if I wanted, I could download a few different packs that are similar to this, put them all together, make up about 100 to 120 pages, get a cover made for that, or make the cover myself. And I've got a little kid's like Easter workbook, so it really is that simple.
You also just gave away a really good niche because, that's something that we look into too. You look into the upcoming major events and holidays. Activity books that correspond with those holidays and events are really great sellers during those times. So there you go.
That's true. Mm-hmm. You're welcome. So those were just 2 quick examples of places you can go to get book interiors for your low content books. BookBalt is completely free. Of course, you can join the membership that they have, and you can get access to even more templates. And then with Creative Fabrica, there is that subscription that you have to pay. I think it starts at $29.99 a month, and you can download pretty much endlessly for an entire month. So you can do that, but I didn't want to let you guys go without giving you one more option as to where you can go to get low content book interiors if you don't feel like making your own and you want to just get started right away. So I brought you guys to Etsy. And I think I did mention that you can also get interiors on Fiverr as well. But we're on Etsy right now, and I just want to show you guys what you could type in to find some really awesome deals. So I typed in journal interior, and I'm brought to this page that you see right here. They sell individual templates, like the prayer journal that we have right here. There's the running logbook, but then they have really interesting bundles here as well. You're seeing 105 KDP interior templates. That's what somebody's selling. And it's going for 40 Canadian, so I can only guess that's closer to 30 USD. And it's got 5 stars, 5-star rating. So I'm gonna just click on it really quick and let's see what we would get for around 30 bucks USD if we didn't want to make our own interior. Let's check it out. So we are here. It's of course a digital download, so you're getting just all of these downloaded straight to your computer. And they come in PDF forms. And we can learn more about the item. So let's read about it. See, somebody saying it's perfect there in the comments. They reviewed it. But anyways, okay, so it starts out by saying there's 15 outdoor activity templates. So there's astronomy, observation books, beekeeping logbooks, bird watching logbooks, boating. It's really cool. 15 sports and nutrition templates. It says this allows us to record all parts of a healthy life, from a daily yoga session to detailed nutrition planning, and that's true. They have golf journals, horseback riding, meal planners, scuba diving, so everything you can think of, running logbooks. What else? 15 music and art templates. So they've got acting journals, dance journals, nail art design books. These are things that I have not even thought about before, to be honest. Tattoo sketchbook, that's such a cool idea. So these are all journals that you guys can be selling. 15 hobby and passion templates. Chess tactic journal. That's an interesting one, considering that pretty much everyone has seen The Queen's Gambit by now, and you know, the interest in chess has increased by I think it was over 100% or something like that. So yeah, there's a lot of new chess players. So that's a really interesting niche to target. What I thought was really interesting here is that it says quick and easy customization. It says every part of the template can be edited with all common graphic programs. And the usable software that you can customize with includes MS PowerPoint, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Affinity Designer, GIMP, and many more. And it is really important to look into making sure that the templates you buy can be customized, for the very reason that a lot of people are probably going to be downloading the same templates, and you don't want your interior to look like thousands of people's interiors. You know, you do want to stand out. That's how you win with KDP as well. So anyways, I just wanted to add this as another option for anybody who's interested in getting interiors and they don't want to make their own. Etsy is an awesome place. And lastly, if you guys are finding value in these videos and this little free course that we've come up with, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and just show the video some love. It helps us in the algorithm. It helps to boost our channel in the algorithm as well. And it helps us to know that you guys are finding this stuff helpful. And I think I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one, where we teach you guys how to go about the uploading process when it comes to KDP. So really excited about that, kind of wrapping up this little series. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.